Yeah, good evening to all. Namaste. Welcome to this session. In this session, I will demonstrate some ways to record your lecture. Let us start. So, I am moving to the Google browser. Please observe, I am typing like freescreenrecording.com. So it is a version, absolutely free version. No need to pay anything. Just you are supposed to enter your email ID to receive any updates in future. Just by entering your email ID, please click the download button and you will download the software and click it, and that will be installed from the exe file. I already downloaded in my computer. So once again I am not clicking this particular download button. Is it okay? Please observe, it is for Windows 10 or 8 or 7, even if it is the 32-bit or 64-bit, then no problem. You can use for Windows 7 or 8 or 10, even for the 32-bit system or even for the 64-bit system also you may use. That's why I am recommending this FreeCam to. So after installation, one desktop icon that will appear like this. Please observe here, FreeCam. So whenever you are clicking that icon, this particular window that will be opening to you. So here please observe, new recording you may consider. You may take a new project and thereafter you may save the project. So whenever, generally after taking the recording, if you are editing the file, means if you are trimming the unwanted part, that will be considered as the project. Then you can save your project also. If you are receiving any mail from them, then you are supposed to update the existing version. Here very easy layout, and just simply click the new recording tab here. Then immediately please observe, you are observing a dotted line structure here. So simply here I am opening my PPT. Okay, so whatever that is observing in this particular area, that will be recording. So I am confining this particular area to my slide. Is it okay? So the dotted line is completely covering the area of the particular PPT slide only. So here please observe, settings are there. If you want to pause at any time, shortcut key is F9. If you want to stop the recording, escape key. If you want to discard, F10. Here microphone is selected. So please observe, whenever I am speaking here, it is showing. Even you are supposed to select record system sounds also. You are supposed to check record system sounds also. You may ask why? Why it is required? Why I am supposed to select this record system sounds? Whenever in your PPT, if you are inserting any audio file or video file, whenever you are clicking that particular slide, the video will be playing. Yes or no? Whenever it is playing, the audio in that video should be also added for your recording. Isn't it? That's why you are supposed to select record system sounds also. If you are unchecking this one, if you are playing any video in your PPT, the video will appear to the audience, but that audio part of the particular video may not be included. That's why compulsory you are supposed to check this system sounds also. That is always a better way. If you want to pause at any time, F9 you may use, and for resume also same button. If you want to stop the recording, escape button, ESC button, that will be available in the keyboard. If you want to discard, F10. Please observe, advanced settings are also there. If you want to highlight the mouse cursor, if you want to show the mouse cursor, the arrow symbol, then you need to check. If you don't want to show your mouse cursor, please uncheck it. That is your wish. Is it okay? So then you may ask one doubt. Okay, to pause this particular video, okay, some control is there. To stop the video, some control is there. What is the way to start the recording? What is the way to start the recording? That is very simple. Please observe, I am closing this one. Here, red color dot you are observing. Whenever I am showing that red color dot by using my cursor, please observe. Some name you are observing there. Start recording. Start a new screen recording. Simply you are supposed to click this particular red color dot to start the recording. To stop the recording, escape button. To pause the recording, F9. Is it okay? So now I want to show one recording. How to record by using this particular software. I am clicking this particular button, please observe. So whenever I am changing the slide, I want to say something for the recording sake. Okay. Again, I will play the same clip. You will observe the video along with my audio. Whatever I will talk now. Yeah, good evening to everyone. Welcome to the Impact Lecture Series on ICT Tools. This is the initiative from KGRL College Autonomous Bhimavaram. You are attending to these sessions from 9th July onwards. This program will continue up to 31st July. Every day, exactly at 5:30 p.m., you are going to learn one new subtopic on ICT tools. Simply, I pressed escape button. To stop the recording. Now, immediately that will show the preview. Please observe. I selected the area of the particular slide only. That is only selected nicely. Now, listen the particular audio also. Yeah, good evening to everyone. Welcome to the Impact Lecture Series on ICT Tools. This is the initiative from KGRL College Autonomous Bhimavaram. You are attending to these sessions from 9th July onwards. This program will continue up to 31st July. Every day, exactly at 5:30 p.m., you are going to learn one new subtopic on ICT tools. Is it okay? The video along with the particular audio which was recorded at that time, that is showing like a preview. If you want to edit, you may click this particular edit option. So here in the editing, please observe, you may remove the noise, you may adjust the volume, okay, you may trim any part also. So here play and pause
Yeah,
button
good
is
evening
there.
to everyone. Welcome to the Impact lecture series on.
Here zoom option is also there. So simply by seeing this audio waveform, you may select the particular part. If you want to trim anything, you may do trimming also. So I am clicking the remove noise. Select a part of your recording that contains only background noise. So here I am selecting a part. Please observe. Here I am selecting a part. I am clicking remove the background noise. So in this part the background noise that will be removed. Please observe that was removed. And I am clicking here. I selected this particular portion. Is it okay? I selected this particular portion by using my mouse. By using delete option, simply I trimmed that particular part. Is it okay? Adjust the volume. Even we can increase or decrease the volume also by using this process.
Everyone, welcome to the Impact lecture series on ICT tools. This is the initiative from KGRL College Autonomous.
So what is the change? By using the adjust volume, simply I increased the mark. So the same change that was included.
You are attending to these sessions from 9th July onwards.
Did you observe? Whenever I am increasing the level, you are observing the same audio boosting in this particular clip also. So in this way you may remove the unwanted part by using this cross mark delete section. You may remove the noise. Simply there is a chance to trim also. After all the possible changes, if you are saving the file, that particular video clip that will be saved to your local computer as a file. So thereafter simply you may upload in the YouTube also. You may use it as the video lecture. If I am saving, that will be saved. Even please observe save as video. Save as video, that option is there. Upload to the YouTube. Directly from here you are supposed to upload to the YouTube also. If you want to maintain a YouTube channel, then directly this particular recording that will be moved to the YouTube as a video clip. That chance is also there. That chance is also there. So here only one thing is, you may show the any part on the screen. You may add your narration voice. But if you want to add video, that particular option is not available here. I am searching for my camera in my computer. Camera app I am opening. So simply I opened camera app from my computer. So I adjusted that particular window to this place. Is it okay to everyone? Simply I may change the size of the slide as per my requirement. I may adjust my camera app in this way. So here in this FreeCam, there is no option of adding your video directly to the recording. So in the indirect way, you may use your camera, you may open that particular camera in one window. So try to adjust that window in this place, the slide that will appear in this place. Now by using FreeCam, you may record something. Please observe, I am clicking the button which is meant for recording. Hi, hello, 1, 2, 3. This is only just a trial. Please observe. Hi, hello, 1, 2, 3. This is only just a trial. Is it okay? I am closing this one. So in this way, by using camera app, even without adding video, by using that FreeCam software, we may add our video also in the recording by using this indirect technique. That chance is also there. Now I am closing my camera. So this is the way to record your lecture by using FreeCam. Now I want to tell one more technique, that is Screencastify. Whenever you are typing Screencastify in the Google, this particular Screencastify will work with the Chrome browser only. Please observe, it will work only with the Google Chrome. First of all, you are supposed to download it, and automatically, please observe, I downloaded already. So it is showing already installed. So please observe here, along with my display picture here, one particular extension that is appearing, that is for Screencastify. Just by clicking this extension, simply you may record the complete screen along with your audio and video also. Lifelong free. But only the restriction is, in this Screencastify, in the free version, you may record up to 5 minutes only. But in the FreeCam, there is no such a limit. You may record anytime as per your requirement. But what is the advantage of the Screencastify? The video immediately that will be saved into your Google Drive also. So easily you can share that video to your students. You can use the same Google Drive link. You may add that Google Drive link in your Google website easily. Even you may upload the same video in the YouTube very easily. Even you may download the same video into your system. Everything is possible by using the Screencastify.com. Even if you are using another system with your Gmail ID, simply you may identify the past recordings also. That is one special feature you may enjoy whenever you are using the Screencastify. Now we will see. Simply whenever you are installing this particular one, you are supposed to click this particular extension only. Please observe, I am clicking that one. It is showing Screencastify. Okay. Browser tab. If any one particular tab, if you want to record, choose. Desktop. The complete portion, whatever is appearing on the screen, if you want to record, desktop. Only webcam. If you want to record only your video, then choose webcam. Please, here there is a chance to include microphone. Compulsory we need to include microphone, because without our audio, How can we record our lecture? Compulsory microphone should be included. Embed webcam. Here you may choose whether your webcam should be included as the PIP. Means in the particular video at one corner your face will appear. If you want to include the webcam, you need to select this. Let us see the basic trial first of all. Okay, I am clicking the record. So please observe here. Please observe here my video that is appearing. Here it is asking your entire screen. I am clicking it. 3, 2, 1. Recording is starting. So please observe the complete part whatever may be there in this particular area that is recording along with my video. If I want to pause, please observe here some shortcuts are there. I will show. Pause recording option is there. Okay. End recording option is also there. Please observe here. End recording option is also there. Please observe my cursor. So please observe whatever we recorded. Here click to unmute. 1. Recording is starting. So please observe the complete part whatever may be there in this particular area that is recording along with my video. If I want to pause, please observe here some shortcuts are there. I will show. Is it okay? After your recording, 1. You may observe recording is starting. Preview also. Along with your video, you may record anything. You may record anything without any additional software. If you are using the Google Chrome as your browser, you may record 5-minute video as unlimited. For the paid version, you may extend the time of recording, but for the free version, the video duration is limited up to 5 minutes. Directly in the Google Drive, you may get shareable link. Please observe here share options are there. Directly you can share the video to your Google Classroom. You may publish into the YouTube. You may get the embedding code also. Even in your website or web page also you may include this particular video. If you want to download to your local computer, you may download this particular video also. Please observe here the video is downloading into my computer. So please observe. 1. Recording is starting. So please observe the complete part whatever may be there in this particular area that is recording along with my video. If I want to pause, please observe here some shortcuts are there. I will show. Is it okay? So in this way you may download your video to your computer also. You may search at any time in the Google Drive. You may share to your classroom. So several options are there. Open in editor. So here free trial. They are giving the 3-day free trial. By using this you may edit your video, means you may cut, you may trim, you may crop, you may merge the video also. They are giving only 3-day free trial only. Okay, means in the free version Generally, trimming option that is not possible after 3 days whenever you are using the screen Castify. That may be one drawback definitely. Generally, sometimes we may require to trim our video also. So if you want to delete this particular video, you may delete it. Here my recordings option is there. By clicking it, you may observe all the previous recordings. Here in the options, generally Google Drive will be selected automatically at the time of installation. If you want to save all the videos in your computer, please choose on my local device. Here you may observe keyboard shortcuts. These are the keyboard shortcuts. Compulsory you are supposed to remember all these. To start or stop the recording, Alt plus Shift plus R. To pause the recording or resume, Alt plus Shift plus P. Means whenever you are remembering these shortcuts, simply you may open one PPT and you may use the particular shortcut to start the recording along with your video. Is it okay? Alt plus Shift plus R, that is for the recording. Alt plus Shift plus P, that is for the pause or resume. These are the uh, shortcuts for this screen Castify. So whenever your video is ready, that is downloaded into your computer, then here please observe create option is there. Whenever you are opening the YouTube, create option plus symbol is there. Here you may observe upload video. Here you are supposed to select the video file. So from downloads, I selected that particular file which was recorded just now by using the screen Castify. Any title I may use like lecture 1 etc, and I will click the next. I will follow the instructions whatever given by the dashboard of the YouTube. Then you may observe the particular video in your channel, in your YouTube channel. So in this way simply you may record your video lecture and you may suppose it to upload in the YouTube also. So here in this session I told only two techniques. One is by using the FreeCam, another one is by using the screen Castify. There are so many screen recording softwares like Bandicam, Camtasia. There are so many ways to record your lecture. But in this series of ICT lectures, in this session, I told only two techniques. One is about the FreeCam, second one is about the screen Castify. Why I am focusing on these two? In these two techniques, directly there is a chance to upload in your YouTube also. By using Screencastify, the 5-minute video directly you can upload in your Google Drive. Very easily you can share the link to your students. That advantage is there. Whenever you are using the Chrome, simply the shortcut, the extension is appearing. Whenever you are clicking that extension, automatically that particular recording that will be saved into your computer or into your Google Drive. So those are the advantages of this particular Screencastify. So whatever may be the uploaded video into your channel, you may observe in your channel videos. So generally here in the home page, after uploading, you will observe the particular video usually in this place. So this is the end for this session. This session is meant for how to record our lecture by using some tools. These are the free tools. By using FreeCam, you may record up to n number of minutes, there is no problem. But by using the Screencastify, you may record your lecture up to 5 minutes only in the free version. So thank you one and all. Thank you for attending this session.